I have provided the practice model download link in the video description. Hi friends, in this video we are going to create the part number 5, washer. So washer is a circular profile. So I am going to create by using the pad option, and also I am going to use the glue option to remove the material. So as I told earlier, so whenever you are going to create the part, use the working axis system, don't use the planes. So how we need to create the axis system I have added in another video, and also I have told you about the difference between global axis and working axis. Please check those videos. Just I am going to create one circle. So this is a simpler profile, so I am not creating any reference line. So diameter is 35 mm and thickness 8 mm. And if you see that internal depth is, front it is 25, rear it is 14. So this one is 14.5. so that 90 degree whatever they have mentioned, so if you see that bolt length, they have shown some 6 mm for the depth of 90 degree drafted area. So from gate we need to minus 6 mm because that screw will sit inside this washer. So remaining 2 mm only, that straight flat land will be there. So for 8 mm I am just creating the pad. For that internal profile I am going to create a profile to remove the material by using the glue option. Glue is nothing but same as revolve. So revolve is adding material, glue is removing material by using the axis system. So whenever you are going to create the sketch, use the projection point, so that if you want to change the position of the part, if you update the point, by default it will get updated all the sketches. So this dimension already done. I'm just giving constraint with respect to that edge of the part. So this length is nothing but 6, because in the screw it is given, in the washer it is not mentioned. So this screw is going to locate on the washer, so that much depth is required. So this is 90 degree, so we are going to do half of the projection, so it is 45. Then this height diameter they have given, so 25 divided by 2. So for 12.5 we have created this profile. Just I am creating one more profile at the bottom. Now I am going to give revolve option. So revolve we need to do it on H axis. So material is removed. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share and subscribe this YouTube channel. For more videos, check the playlist. In upcoming videos, we are going to create the assembly and assembly drawing. For more practice model, I have added the link in the description. Please make use of it. Thanks for watching this video. I have provided the practice model download link in the video description.